Today, we're going to take a sweet journey into the world of candy production. Let's dive in and discover how your favorite treats are made in a factory. Imagine walking into a candy factory. The air is filled with the sweet aroma of sugar, and the sight of colorful candies in various stages of production is a feast for the eyes. The first step in making candy is to create a base, which is typically a combination of sugar, corn syrup, and water. This mixture is then heated to a high temperature, causing it to boil and turn into a thick, sticky substance. Next, the candy maker adds flavorings and colorings to the mixture. The mixture is then poured into molds, where it cools and hardens into the shape of your favorite candies. Some candies are even handcrafted, with skilled workers shaping the candy by hand. Once the candies have hardened, they're ready to be packaged and shipped to stores near you. And just like that, your favorite candy is born. Now, let's talk about the different types of candy you can find in a factory. There are hard candies, like lollipops and jawbreakers, which are made by pouring the candy mixture into molds and letting it harden. Then, there are chewy candies, like gummy bears and fruit slices, which are made by adding gelatin to the candy mixture. The mixture is then poured into molds and left to set. Chocolate candies are also made in a factory. They're made by melting chocolate and pouring it into molds, where it's left to harden. Some candies are even filled with a center, like caramel or nuts, before being coated in chocolate. And last but not least, we have the candy you can't eat, like candy canes and lollipops. These candies are made by pouring the candy mixture into molds and letting it harden. Once it's hardened, the candy is then removed from the molds and wrapped in packaging. So there you have it, folks. A sweet journey into the world of candy production. The next time you enjoy your favorite treat, you'll know exactly how it was made. Thank you for joining me on this sweet adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious content. Until next time, happy candy eating.